Mount your camera on a tripod, either landscape or portrait mode, alright? Then after that, you record yourself on the green screen where you are hanging, alright? Just record yourself on green screen where you hang holding something. Then after that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, guys. Import your background. This is the background we just imported. If you need it, DM me, I will send it to you. Click on overlay now. Click on overlay, add overlay. Import your helicopter. Look at it here. Import it. Then at this point, locate where you want the helicopter to start from, alright? From this place, click it and make a split, alright? Delete this first part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you click it now and go and look for remove BG, alright? Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it, mark on that good and go back. Click it again, click it now and go and locate adjust. Locate adjust, guys. Click on adjust now, HSL, go and look for it. Click on HSL now, mark on that green, reduce it to 100%, mark on that good and go back. Click on the video and expound it, then you adjust it to the exact point you want it to be. So position it very well, alright? After positioning it now, alright? This is the result. If you need this green screen helicopter, you can DM me as well. I will send it to you, alright? This is the result. So we are going to be bringing in the character now. Click on add overlay. Click on add overlay, alright? Then you import yourself on green screen. Import yourself on green screen. Click it now. Go and look for remove BG, alright? Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it now, mark on that good and go back. Still click it again. Then you look for adjust like we did before, right? Look for adjust. Click on adjust now, HSL, click on it, mark on the green again, reduce it to 100%, mark on that good and go back, alright? Mark on that good, then you go back. You expound the character now, then place the character at the point of that helicopter handle. Look at it, look at what I am doing. Take time to do your own so that it will be neat. Make sure you place it well, alright? Look at what I am doing. At the end now, we are going to play the video to see what it look like. Okay, look at the result of the video, alright? Look at the result. You are now hanging on the helicopter. You are hanging there now. Look at yourself there, hanging that very place. This is the result of the video so far. But at this point, I don't want that jumping down. So you are going to click here and make a split. Click this one and make a split. Make a split there as well. Delete them one after the other. We don't need them again. Look at the video. So at this point now, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be, alright? And every other effect. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. We have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video with ease. Alright? So what will be remaining here now is to click on export, so that we export this video. As you click on export now, the video is exporting. Now the video I've installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, okay? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? If you love what we are doing, give us thumbs up. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.